In this lecture, we are going to learn how to list all the files in a folder using Python. This is super helpful when you are building tools like file explorers, backup scripts, or batch processors. We'll use the OS module and also learn how to filter out only files, ignoring folders. Let's jump into PyCharm and get started. Right-click on Files folder. Choose New, then Python file. Let's name it list_files_demo. Next, to demonstrate listing files using Python, I have created a folder named my_files in the directory. Within my_files folder, I have created few files that we are going to list, and also I have created a subfolder as well. Now let's start coding. At the top of the file, we write import OS. The OS module gives us tools to interact with the file system, like getting lists of files and checking if something is a file or folder. Now let's list everything inside the files folder. Let's type folder_path equals, in quotes, folder name my_files. This variable stores the folder name as a string. It's the location where our files are stored. You can change this to any folder path on your system. Now we get all the entries in that folder, including both files and folders. Next, type entries equals os.listdir open parenthesis folder_path close parenthesis. The os.listdir method returns a list of all names in the folder. It doesn't tell us yet whether each entry is a file or a folder. Now let's print the entries. We type print open parenthesis entries close parenthesis. Let's run the program. You will see a list of file names and folder names all inside the files folder and also the subfolder names. Perfect. Now let's filter out only the files, not the subfolders. We use a for loop. We say for keyword followed by entry in keyword entries : then we build the full path. Full_path equals os.path.join folder path entry. This combines the folder path and file name into one full file path in a cross-platform safe way. It handles slashes correctly on Windows, macOS, and Linux. If os.path. is file open parenthesis full path close parenthesis, then print open parenthesis entry close parenthesis. This will skip any folders and print only the file names. Let's run it. You can now see the only file names are listed over here. The folder is skipped, exactly what we want. You can even add filters like only show.txt files or .csv files. Let's try listing only .txt files. If you can see this files folder, it contains different types of files like .txt and JSON files. Now let's try listing only .txt files. Inside the if block, we add another condition. If keyword followed by entry dot ends with open parenthesis in quotes .txt close parenthesis, then print the entry. This gives us a filtered list of text files only. Let's run it again. Works perfectly. Let's recap what we did. We imported the OS module. We listed everything using os.listdir. We filtered entries using os.path.is file. And finally, we added a filter to list only .txt files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.